Just 1 tablespoon per day, clean clogged arteries and blood vessel. We all know a healthy heart means a healthy lifestyle. But unfortunately, we mix this life idea with anxiety, poor diet, sugary foods, and with lots of unhealthy habits. It leads us a path to nowhere. Hello viewers, and welcome to my channel. Actually, heart issues are the main reason for deaths along with COVID nowadays. Because people don't know a minor clog can lead to major health consequences at any age. We all know that cholesterol is not the only reason behind this, but you can't stay away from it. Sometimes arteries also clog because of the inflammation. Whatever you do, the inflammation won't stay put. It will take charge of your plaque building system and continue to attract lots of bad cholesterol. By the time, because of this arterial plaquing, arteries get clogged and it leads to a permanent health issue. But luckily, there are natural solutions, including this one we're about to show you. So in the next few minutes, I will show you this amazing recipe that will help you unblock clogged arteries and reduce the risk of heart attacks. By the way, it's so simple to make this mixture with household ingredients. In the making process, let's know the 2 ingredients. Before getting into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell and watch the video until the end. The first one is lemon. Lemon is a great source of antioxidants and vitamin C. In addition, the flavonoids in the lemon hinder the oxidation of the LDL, and thus it prevents our body from atherosclerosis. Lemon also helps lower the cholesterol of our body, especially the bad cholesterol, or LDL. So in this recipe, we will use lemon juice. Our second ingredient is ghee. I think you already know what actually the ghee is. Somehow we thought ghee is kind of similar to clarified butter, but it's not. So ghee is widely used in herbal medication as a part of Ayurveda. Ghee comes with high concentrations of monosaturated omega-3s, antioxidant-rich vitamin E, and anti-inflammatory properties, which also help reduce the risk of heart disease. According to health experts, ghee prevents the endothelial cells of arteries where all plaques and clotting happens, which is responsible for heart attack and stroke. Studies also show that using ghee as a part of a balanced diet can help lower unhealthy cholesterol levels. According to Ayurveda medicine, one should take ghee on an empty stomach in the morning. If you want to lower cholesterol levels, unblock your blocked arteries, and need a healthy artery. But we should make sure that the quality of the ghee is top-notch. How to prepare this mixture? To start this process, you need half or quarter teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ghee. At first, take a lemon and extract juice from it. Keep the juice in a small pot. Secondly, you have to take ghee, and it should be in the liquid form. If it becomes a little bit harder at the room temperature, so you need to heat it. Thirdly, you need to pour 1 tablespoon of ghee in the lemon juice. Now stir the mixture for a while, like 1 to 2 minutes. So finally, our mixture is ready. Let's see how to take this mixture. You have to take 1 tablespoon of this mixture first in the morning on an empty stomach. Actually, lots of people prefer to drink water first in the morning. So in that case, you have to keep in mind, if you drink water at first in the morning, then take this mixture after 15 minutes. What will you do when you don't drink water at first? In this situation, if you take this mixture first in the morning, then wait for 20 to 30 minutes and after that, you can drink the water. On the other hand, if you developed a habit of drinking tea or coffee first in the morning, then you should bring this schedule after the breakfast. Some cautions to follow. We all know excessive anything is dangerous to our health. In moderation, ghee can help lower the risk of heart disease, but too much of it can increase the risk of heart disease. If you are on high blood pressure or heart-related medication, you must consult with your doctor before taking this Ayurveda mix. For your information, there is an increase in scientific studies confirming its health benefits. More research is needed further.
Don't forget to check your blood pressure level weekly and take food according to the result. So, that's all for now. You have to take ownership of your heart health. It will save you at the end of the day. By the way, for more queries, I've also added some studies at the end of this video description. Let us know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.